So this is my first attempt. Uh, so I joined coaching in Delhi, in Wajiram and Ravi. And from 2017 I took my classes, and 2018 UPSC CSE I gave that exam. And from that I secured 645 rank this time. So there were many moments when I thought like I won't even clear prelims. Someone would know. He was like my very close friend there. He is my junior from the same college. Okay. So we were staying very nearby and we prepared together. Rather, we had our almost same strategies for the exam. So my situation was like prelims भी क्रॉस नहीं होगा, क्या ही means करेंगे. So I will tell about it later. So for means I did not prepare very early. So it was a tough job for me to cover up all the papers, because you have essay, you have GS 4 papers, then you have optional. Like you must be knowing that. Like my optional is anthropology. And I took classes in Wajiram and Ravi only for the optional. But what was missing was that it was a very monotonous class. So even after going to class, I didn't gain so much of that courage to face that optional. So, but anyways, I cleared prelims, and then I had to sit for the exam. So for the mains. For that, I have to cover the optional also. So I had to strategize my time, give specific time for optional, and the notes that I got from the classes were very minimal, and so I had to prepare my own notes. So meanwhile, during these two and a half months, I thoroughly prepared my optional. I'm not sure about the marks now, because they are not out. But otherwise, 50 to 60% I prepared my own notes later on, during those 2 months, 2.5 months. For GS, I used to write regularly. Since I said I started my mains writing preparation very late, but since I had to do it, I thought, why not give the best shot? Why to miss this chance? Why to miss this opportunity? Maybe there's something. So I took a test series there. I gave only 9 papers for this mains GS. And from Wajiram there were 4 papers. So 9 plus 4, 30 papers. So that was my writing test series overall for the mains. And for anthropology also I took a test series after the results were declared. There I took seven tests. So whatever I could gain from those days, whatever material I could take from newspapers and other sources through internet, I used them best, and I also discussed with Forman here, and so that I can maximize my score in that limited time. So I gave my means. There also a tragedy. My anthropology last paper was so horrible. It's for me. I thought I could have done much better. I realized, yes, there might be some I lacked something during my preparation, because only late I started late. But yes, I did get interview call, and for interview we almost prepared together. And finally, I secured 645 rank this time. Here, my suggestions would be that never lose hope. And I would ask a big sacrifice from you. Okay, it might be silly. Let's leave PUBG. Okay, leave that game. That takes a lot of time. Leave social media. what I say by leave means don't stop interacting with your friends on good topics. On your studies, you might interact in social media. I use WhatsApp to talk with him and my friends. Otherwise, also to get motivated, you might need. It must be clear. Okay. So I said I didn't use Facebook for long. I only recently I opened, and then WhatsApp also I deactivated for long. And during the interview, I again installed it. PUBG I never touched. Please don't touch. Okay, it will just take up your time. And there are my friends who have taken coaching and they are preparing now, but they will not leave PUBG. अरे once they will PUBG. Okay, life is a PUBG. Play it. Okay, play it good. So my suggestions would be that please do try this. If not UPSC, EPSC. It's very easy. We gave our this I think before interview only we had in December this time. We didn't prepare much. Both of us cleared prelims. Okay. So anyways, for APSC, we take a Lucent book. Lucent is enough for APSC prelims. Okay. For UPSC, I think Furman will be better one to suggest you the books and the all follow strategies. Otherwise, you can for APSC if you want. If you think that UPSC maybe I will try later. APSC you can start with Lucent, GK, general knowledge. Most of you might have known, have seen that. It will help you in for job, for other job exams also. Okay, I cleared some of the jobs. Meanwhile, I also work in Bank of India PO. So I think that might help you. Don't lose your momentum and keep your goals straight and leave all the distractions, but never lose trust on yourself. Keep the faith in you that you can do it. Whoever are here, I am hopeful that I will see some of your faces again, and I am very sure you are very serious with your studies. Okay, it takes a lot from you. Okay, we have to study, we have to sacrifice our sleep, food many a times, but that's nothing. I was there some days ago, like you only sitting on that side. Being on this side, it's a different feeling. Just keep that in your mind. I think you will really come here. I wish you all best of luck for the future. For any exam that comes, just keep going and leave all the distractions. That will be my suggestion. Okay. So I thank Professor Government College here again.